Hey, good morning guys. So today is going to be a very busy day. Have to go into work, and me and Abby are going back to LA for a couple days. It's going to be the first time going back in over a month, so it's going to be good to get back out there. Right now we are about to eat breakfast, and after we get done with breakfast, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour of the place before we take off. I still have to go into work, so check it out. Just finished breakfast, so let me show you guys around real quick. So first, let's go downstairs, the entryway. So front door, we have a little patio. Goes right out to the street. Here we have another shoe rack. Down here goes into the 2-car garage. A little tight for the car. Have a couple boxes still here. To this right hand side is my brother's room, but he is asleep right now, so we'll have to check that out at another time. And then here is the kitchen. We got Abby here.
Hi, gotta do dishes.
So we have the kitchen, very large patio right off the kitchen. So we will be probably putting out some turf here. And then this is the inside of the townhouse. The kitchen has, you know, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, very large pantry, because we didn't have a pantry in that first one.
The best part,
What is the best part?
my air fryer. It's amazing. Makes all the food good.
Yeah, so we heard about these air fryers, so we finally decided to get one now that we actually have counter space. And super happy that we did get one, because the food that comes out of there is amazing. So if you are looking for something new to cook with, definitely invest in an air fryer. You will not be disappointed. Now, as we come upstairs, we have the living room area. So we just got this couch in from Living Spaces. It wasn't my first option, but if you haven't noticed, the stairwells here are very narrow. And so we were very limited on what size of a couch we could get, but still pretty happy with it, being that we're only gonna be probably out here in Arizona for a year and a half or so. And went ahead and I did get another TV, but it's only a 65-inch and it is an OLED TV. I've been wanting one of these for about 2 years now, and super glad that I had the opportunity to get one. It's crazy thin. If you look at this, it is insane how thin it is. Amazing picture quality, so highly recommend it if you guys are thinking about it. Now this area, we will be putting like a bar back here, so that if somebody wants to come up here and watch TV and eat, they could sit right here and watch the TV. What's great about this place is we do get some good natural light right out to, you can kind of see a mountain. Glass is a little dirty. We have another patio out here. Nice, beautiful day. Got a mountain. Tempe River. We'll probably be putting turf out here. Let's go upstairs. As we go upstairs, you'll see this is basically just like a nice little storage area that we have out here. Nice little storage area. Then we go up to the master, and this is our master bedroom. Nothing too crazy. You can see we still got a couple of little boxes and whatnot, but we were able to fit a king size bed, because you know, definitely need my king size bed. One of the best investments is this heavy weighted blanket. I highly suggest you guys get a heavy weighted blanket. One of the best investments. Definitely helps sleep if you like to kick your feet a lot. And let's go to the third bedroom, which Abby actually has taken over. Now, this third bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom, 2 sinks, toilet, and a full stand-up shower. She also has her closet And the best part is as you guys will find out, Abby is big into fitness. She was a national competitor. She has won multiple different competitions, and she just loves fitness. And so she also works from home. And so this was a great opportunity for her to be able to take advantage of this third bedroom that we didn't have in LA and convert this into kind of like her workout studio and her workstation. So here, check it out. So as you can see, she has her exercise mats. She has her weight holder, kettlebells, mat. She has her bench, this folds up. And then she has her whole entire workstation here. With a comfortable chair, and she doesn't really like chairs, so she has this ball that she can sit on, and she has the whole built out. She has the 2 monitors. It's a nice standing desk in case she does want to sit, but she stands for the most part. And then she has views of a mountain and everything out over there. So there you have it. That is basically the place that we're staying in here in Arizona. It fits our needs perfectly, has everything that Abby needs, has everything I need, and it's a nice split floor plan for my brother who's staying here with me as he goes to Arizona State. That was like one of the biggest benefits of moving back out here, is being able to spend more time with my little brother. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Hey, good morning guys. So today, very busy day. Going to work, and me and Abby are going back to LA for a couple days. First time going in over a month, so it's gonna be good to get back out there. Right now, we are about taking off. Next time you see me, be in LA.
Go go.
How was your flight?
Short.
Got to listen to one of my favorite podcasts called Perpetual Traffic, learning about Facebook ads. Now it's time to go pick up the rental car. So just got back to our place in LA, and I wish we were more excited about it. We had our first Airbnb people stay here, and they left the place a complete mess. They pretty much trashed it, left all kinds of food, rotten stuff.
Not very happy. And it's late.
They ruined the pans, didn't clean up at all. And then this bathroom is a disaster. Just filthy. Filthy, 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 filthy. Oh man, I just threw all the towels here. It's not good. Not good at all. And missing all our chairs at our dining table. As well as, looks like they broke the pull down shade. Not the best experience, first time doing it. Probably would think twice about doing it again. So instead of coming back and being able to relax, we have to go to the store and clean.
Go to the store to get things to come back and clean.
So it's gonna be a long night until we can actually feel comfortable back in our own place, which is kind of sad.
Yes, nothing is clean, and we have to do everything before we can sleep.
Live and you learn. So it is now 1 o'clock. Me and Abby, we have been cleaning for the last 4.5 hours. Definitely a big surprise. We needed to clean in order for us to even feel good about staying at our own place. Lesson to be learned, and we still got a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow, but at least we were able to get most of it knocked out tonight, and I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning. Got a few hours of sleep. About to start my day. Just got off the phone with one of my business partners, Chris Franco. Big shout out to him. Today is actually his birthday, so go ahead and shoot him a follow. Getting ready to jump on a client call out here, and let's try to get some work done while we're out here. Hey, it's a beautiful day, Labor Day weekend. We're about to go get something delicious to eat down at the Santa Monica Promenade. So we're gonna take you out there. We've been here for about 2 days now, finally getting settled in. It's a beautiful day outside. Abby already went to the beach.
Yeah, went on a bike ride down to Marina Del Rey.
All right, so let's see what we can go find to eat. So we're down here at the 3rd Street Promenade. It's pretty busy, Labor Day weekend. Trying to see if one of our favorite places to get breakfast at is open, but it looks like it's shut down, so now we have to try to find a new spot.
I'm sad. It's so good.
Keep you posted.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless.
So we're heading over to the beach. There's a resort down there called Shutters, and Google says that they have great breakfast, so we're gonna go check it out. You ready?
I want pancakes.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud.
We made it. It's a beautiful spot on the beach. Check it out.
In my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms.
Just finished breakfast. Very successful. What do you think?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, we both got pancakes, and I got some chicken sausage.
And eggs for me. First time being back in a restaurant, and had a wonderful view, so it was nice.
Yeah, so heading back, walking down the beach. Gonna get back to the car. I have to run to the bank, and
Then it's a Celtics game.
yes, let's go Boston. Back home, got my Celtics gear on, got the game on. Let's go. Felt a little bit defeated last game when they hit that buzzer beater, but we're gonna close it out. Let's get it. So my Celtics lost. Definitely not happy about it. But today's been a very productive day. Went to the store, got a few things. Just been kind of relaxing a little bit. Me and Abby, we've had such a good time being back in LA. We actually just changed our flight. And so we're actually gonna not go back to Arizona until Friday. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to this area called Playa Vista and get something to eat. So check it out. Just leaving Hopdoddy, and usually it's really good, but we had probably really bad service. They messed up. I mean, it took them over 30 minutes to make our burger, and then they messed it up. And then it took another 20 minutes to make it, and you don't want to mess with her when she's hungry.
Hell no, and it wasn't even the best burger, so fortunately, do not recommend.
Yeah, hopefully next time. But right now we are in Playa Vista in this kind of cool incubation of people and basically it kind of reminds me of the Truman Show, where there's just like a block of homes, and enclosed in this block is literally everything you could ever want. There's restaurants, there's food stores, there's doctors' offices, there's healthcare, health clinic, and everything like that. So we're gonna go take a walk around, check it out. What do you think?
It's like its own little town in a bigger town.
Yeah, so let's check it out.